Here I will introduce the details of our H-type 4-tier chicken cage. First, we take a look at the mesh. This is the hot dipped galvanized cage, and the service time at least for 20 years. And you can see a closer view. This is very thick. And for this door, we also have one extra lock. Like this, you can open and you can lock it. Oh, very strong. So with this locker, more safe for chicken. And next, you can see the feed trough. This is the steel shaped feed trough. It's very strong, and you can see I can stand in here and no problem to jump on it. Very strong. So if you choose Hightop, no worry about the quality at all. We always put the quality at the first place. And after the feed trough, I will show you the frame. This is to support the cage. And take a closer view, please. You can see the wire will go through the frame. This design makes sure the whole structure very stable. One by one, you can see here with this structure very stable. And the sheet is also hot dipped galvanized. The service time also more than 20 years. So mainly for the cage part, the cage, the frame, feed trough. This also you can see here the egg collection part. There is a small sheet. This is to connect two sides together. You can see. So the connection will make the structures on same line, very stable.